guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video we're going to be doing a Youkeyy inspired makeup look. Now if you don't know of Youkeyy, she is a beauty blogger, influencer, makeup artist kind of personality, and she has a YouTube channel, she's on Instagram, all that kind of stuff, and she does these just gorgeous innovative eye looks like the one I'm wearing right now that's inspired by her tutorial. And she just does stuff like this, and she does it so she does it so beautifully and effortlessly, and it's just like, why are you so good? Why are you so good? And you know, she's another black woman that I super look up to. I've been following her channel since she had like less than 100,000 subscribers. She's over 400k now, and like I love her. She's goofy, she's crazy, and she's Nigerian. Actually, I didn't mention that in my last video. Jackie is also Nigerian. They get compared to each other a lot, but like, let them be their own selves, okay? But yeah, I really love her because she's goofy. She doesn't care. She's just literally the definition of a carefree black girl. And she does her channel and still works full-time as a nurse at the same time, an ER nurse. I'm just like, how do you do it? How do you do it? So this video is really me just kind of paying my little homage to her, because I feel like out of the black influencers that I could have picked, I had to pick her because her channel grew just off sheer talent. Like, her talent speaks for itself. When I found her, the first thing that I saw before I even knew who she was, I was like, that eye look. So her talent just kind of propelled her, and then her personality just came out farther and farther, and I was like, I like her even more. So she's really dope. I just wanted to kind of explain why I chose her for this video. But yeah, all the props to Youkeyy. And if you guys are interested in this, as always, keep watching, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't leave, okay? Because I have more videos oh my god, I have more videos for Black History Month coming. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe and stay tuned. And without further ado, let's get into the video. My eyes are primed and eyebrows are done, and we're going to be starting with the James Charles X Morphe palette. I decided to just do a recreation of the look that she did using this palette, because I'll know that I have all the tools required to do the look. Because a lot of her other stuff, a lot of her other looks, I don't have any of the stuff she uses, so I wouldn't be able to recreate it, you know, correctly. So the first thing she does is she actually packs on the shade Escape, which is this dark purple shade, which is right here. I'm really nervous about that because that's not how I do my makeup at all. So we're just gonna try it. We're just gonna try. Okay. So she's taking this shade Love That, which is this darker pinky color, and she's packing it on right around the lid, so like a second halo type thing, with the other side of the same brush. So I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, so she's going to blend between the two colors, but she's not going to go to the top, only blending right here in the middle. So let's try that. She said she's finally getting a seamless blend. I'm not getting any blend. How is she doing this? I might have made a mistake trying to follow a Youkeyy tutorial, girl. I might have got a little overzealous. Okay, I'm back after blending for approximately 80,000 years. And this is probably as good as I'm going to get it, to be honest, which is really sad. On camera, you can really see the flaws. In person, it doesn't look that bad, but yes, it does. It does look that bad. Let me stop playing myself. This is like killing me right now. Oh my god. Okay, so blend the transition with the shade Code James. Okay. On her lid, she takes the pigment Artistry and she picks it up first and then sprays it. Let's do that. That's really pretty. Oh. Now I'm just working on getting the shape of the shimmer. So I want it to, she has it angled out, so it's like going this way, like up her eye. So we want to get that little pointy wingy thing going that she has going on here. So just to recap real quick, we used the shiny purple shade Artistry on the lid, and now she's going with the shade Hello, which is the shimmery blue shade, just to kind of intensify the center of the sparkle. So we're going to try it first without water. Let's see. Ooh, 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 ooh. I didn't think it was going to show up that much. Oh my god. Put some over here. Jesus. I did not. Yo, hers didn't show up that much. Oh my god. What the heck? Nah. The blue's nice, but I don't think I want that much blue. I think that's a little too much blue for me. Let's go in and kind of quiet that down. Yeah, it's a little too much. A little too much. Okay. Flag on to play. She is going in and doing her lower lash line before her foundation. I've never done that before. She said in the video she didn't ever do it before till that first time. So this could be very interesting. I'm afraid. Like, I'm scared. What she does is she takes this bright yellow shade B. Oh, sorry. So she takes the bright yellow shade B and she packs it on to the inner third of her waterline. So the next shade she goes into is called Playground. And Playground is this bright blue shade right here. Do you see her? Yeah. So Playground is this bright blue shade right here. That's what she went in with next. Youkeyy, don't steer me wrong, girl. I don't have time. And then with her last brush, she's taking the shade Escape. And the same one we used in our lid, and she's going to complete it right here. She then puts on like a minty green in her waterline, but I don't have that eyeliner, so we're gonna improvise again. I took my NYX jumbo eye pencil in the shade Milk. I ran that on the waterline, and then I immediately set it down with the shade Flashback in the James Charles palette, that white shade. So I immediately set it down to like preserve that white pigment. Then on top of it, I took a mixture of these two greens in the 35B palette. I started with the first green, but then I realized that the blue undertone in this one gave us more of that mint color we were looking for. So I did a combination of those two, and I did all this with this little flat brush. It's a Morphe. This one doesn't have a number on it, but it's just like a straight flat brush. And I just kind of packed everything on there and kind of blended it a little bit. I know it's hard to blend on the waterline, but I did it and we're done. I'm using the NYX HD Studio Concealer in the shade number 4. Ooh, she's bright. That'll work. That'll do it. Wait. I have my under eyes. Oh, wait. No, I'm being stupid. Wait. I almost erased my entire lower lash line. I forgot I had it on. Wow, I'm stupid. Okay, so I'm gonna start blending out with my sponge, and as I get closer to the lower lash line, we're gonna figure it out from there. So. Okay, so for her inner corner, she takes this frosty blue shimmer shade, which is super pretty. It is called, I don't know what she's called because I lost my name sheet. I think I lost it like forever, which I'm actually sad about because I actually liked the names in this palette and I wanted to know them, but I guess not. So I'm gonna take this frosty blue color, shimmery color, and put it in my inner corner. I'm gonna try it dry, and then I'm probably gonna end up wetting it. And then for her lips, she has just like a peachy brown pink Nude the gloss. So I'm gonna go on with this lip crayon thing from Mana Beauty Simplified Lip Lock Priming Up Wand, whatever. I'm using this. So also I gotta get better at showing my lip application on camera. I'm always like not showing it, so I'm gonna try to actually show you guys. Can you see it? Okay. Ooh. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, so now I'm applying this Maybelline gloss, and it's the Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade 64 Unreal. I love these. I need them in like every color. The Vivid Hot Lacquers from Maybelline, don't sleep on them, that's all I'm saying, okay? Pigmented lip gloss, high shine, just god, I love these. I've had both these products for a while, but I've never worn them together, and like, I love this. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so I have to just set my face down a bit and then we'll be done. Alright guys, so I'm back and looking like a real human being. Got the hair in the high bun. I actually really like it. She's cute. And this is our finished look. Hold on, wait. Yeah, okay, sorry. I'm a little crazy. This is our finished look. I'm scooching for you, as I usually do. Okay, so first off, I'm really proud of myself for being able to do this. It's not as good as hers was, but I didn't expect it to be. I'm actually just really proud of myself that I even accomplished this thing and finished it. I don't like crap, so let's see. The blend definitely could have been better, like right here and right in here. My trouble area for blending is this right under my brow arch, my brow bone. This right here, the socket of my eye, is the worst place for me to blend, so I definitely could have worked on some blending right in that area, but I'm just really happy about it. The only thing I would change is I would have had the yellow be a little bit brighter, but that's the brightest yellow I own, okay? I tried. So, but yeah, I really like this look. I'm really happy with it. In conclusion, this was dope. I loved it. I hope you guys liked it as much as I liked it, because I had a really good time, honestly, like doing this look. Like, I'm actually really happy and in a really good mood. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts on it, and check out her channel. I'm gonna have it linked in the description box down below. Safiyyah, remember to link it. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have her channel in the description box down below, or maybe I'll put it in the card or something like that, one or the other. Go check her out. She is gorgeous. Her stuff is great. So if you see this post and you know her Instagram handle or like in her social media, share this with her, tag her in it. I kind of want her to see this because like I really like it and I'm really happy. So oh my god, I'm such a dork. I'm such a dork. Okay, anyway, okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm rambling because I'm actually in a really good mood from this look, so I'm sorry. But if you enjoyed it, subscribe. There's gonna be more black inspired content on this channel coming up, I swear. If I can get it in to film it, I'm trying to film like crazy because I'm so excited for Black History Month. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now. Subscribe, like the video, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.